back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're going to make a really easy, cheap, simple and delicious spaghetti with a tomato and cream sauce, popped in the oven, baked to perfection. It is wonderful. It's super, super easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients. So spaghetti, I've got like 200-300 grams of spaghetti cooked there, 1 can of chopped tinned tomatoes, 400 ml, 1 large onion, 135 grams of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 3 teaspoons of oregano, or you could be using some other herb like a basil or something like that. 2 to 3 cups of grated cheese. I'm using mozzarella, that's to go on the top. You could be using cheddar or a mixture if you wanted. And then some cream. This is the thick cooking cream. You can be using any cream you want, thin or thick, it doesn't really matter. It will all work out the same. And there's like 200 ml there. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, salt, pepper. That's about it. Delicious. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so nice and easy this one. Got my pan here. You're going to need some sort of pot or pan. I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion, our garlic, some salt, some black pepper. We're on a medium heat here. I'm going to go for like 3 minutes. Fantastic. Now I'm going to add in that oregano or oregano, whatever you call that. Now I'm keeping this nice and simple, but you can think about adding some tuna, some chicken, some bacon, some olives, some other veggies. We're keeping it nice and straight, but you can really play around with this one. Okay, we're now going to drop in that 1 can of tomatoes. And we're going to add the tomato paste. We're going to get this mixed in, and we're going to let this go now for about 5 to 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, that's about 6 minutes. Got a nice tomato sauce there. We're now going to get our cream, grab the cream, and it goes. Like I say, thick or thin, all works. Sour cream doesn't work really, but all other types of cream will work. Just with the heat on, let's just run the cream through there. We're going to end up with a really fantastic sauce. And then simply we're going to get over to our pasta, our spaghetti, which I've already put into an oven-proof dish. Regarding oven-proof dishes, you can be using glass, which I'm using, metal or ceramic, as long as it can go in the oven. And also at this point, get your oven on and get it on full blast. Everything is cooked here. Okay, so here we are. I've got like 3 centimeters of pasta in this dish. Now I've got some scissors, little tip. You might want to just give it a little snip here and there. Just makes it easier when you're serving it. Okay, let's grab our sauce. I'm just going to drop the whole lot on there. And what we need to do now is work this in. See you in a second. Okay, you've got it all worked in there now. Let's just get our cheese on the top. You don't need too much, you don't need a big thick layer, just a nice thin layer. Spread around. Our oven is on full blast. All we're going to do is brown this off. So this is going to go into my oven on the maximum heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. That's it. 1 second. Just want to get a little bit of black pepper on the top. You could be putting some dried oregano on there if you wanted as well. Okay, in the oven, about 10 minutes. I'll see you when it comes out. Okay, there you go. That was about 10 minutes in my oven. Wonderful, super easy, super cheap, super delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.